Horse. Horse, known for its grace and strength, has been a loyal companion to humans for centuries. With their sleek coats and powerful limbs, horses are magnificent creatures that have played pivotal roles in transportation, agriculture, and sports. These majestic animals come in various breeds, each with its own unique characteristics and abilities. Whether they're galloping across open fields or working alongside humans, horses continue to inspire admiration and awe with their beauty and versatility. Pig. Pig, a domesticated member of the Suidae family, is an incredibly intelligent and versatile animal. Pigs are known for their distinctive snouts and stout bodies, which can range from petite to robust, depending on the breed. They are omnivores and enjoy a varied diet, including roots, plants, and even small animals. Pigs are valuable livestock for their meat, and they're also kept as pets due to their friendly and sociable nature. Despite stereotypes, pigs are remarkably clean animals, often rolling in mud to cool down and protect their skin from the sun. Panda. Panda, specifically the giant panda, Ailuropoda melanoleuca, is an iconic and beloved animal native to China. These large, cuddly-looking creatures are known for their distinctive black and white fur, which helps them blend into their bamboo forest habitat. Pandas are primarily herbivores, with bamboo constituting the majority of their diet. Despite their solitary nature, they have captivated the world with their endearing appearance and gentle demeanor. Sadly, giant pandas are classified as an endangered species due to habitat loss, making conservation efforts crucial to ensure their survival in the wild. Sun conure. Sun conure, known scientifically as Aratinga solstitialis, is a vibrant and colorful parrot species native to South America. These small parrots are renowned for their brilliant plumage, featuring a striking mix of yellow, orange, and green feathers. Sun conures are not only visually stunning, but also possess charming personalities, often forming strong bonds with their owners and showcasing their playful and affectionate nature. Squirrel. Squirrels, known for their agility and bushy tails, are small rodents found worldwide. They are expert climbers, leapers, and foragers, often seen darting through trees and scavenging for nuts and seed. These resourceful creatures play a crucial role in forest ecosystems by helping to disperse seeds and serve as prey for various predators. Sheep. Sheep are domesticated livestock known for their docile nature and importance in agriculture. They are valued for their wool, meat, and milk, making them one of the most versatile farm animals. Sheep are highly social animals and prefer to live in groups known as flocks, where they exhibit strong flocking behavior for safety. They graze on a variety of plants and are known for their characteristic bay sound. Different breeds of sheep exist worldwide, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations to various climates. Rabbit. Rabbits are small mammals known for their soft fur, long ears, and prolific breeding habits. They are herbivorous and primarily feed on a diet of grass, vegetables, and other plant materials. Rabbits are popular as pets due to their gentle and affectionate nature, and they come in a wide range of breeds, each with distinct characteristics. These animals are known for their agility and ability to hop, and they play an essential role in ecosystems as both prey and herbivores. Additionally, their breeding and burrowing behavior can lead to population fluctuations in the wild. Thanks for watching.